If you have an earlier version of OtherWorld, you might not see these activate and deactivated events, or rather just the on world tag event changed event, on world tag changed event. And if that's the case, then this is easily simulated by just implementing this one. And we can take the world entity and get the world tags. These are all the tags that the entity exists in. In other words, when I press this one, open up the entity here, worlds in which this actor exists in, this is what you would get from the get world tags. And in our case, we want to take that and we want to check if the world that we transition into is included in those tags that this entity exists in. And we could just use the hashtag function, the hashtag node, and we can just bump in the to world here to make sure that when we transition into something, this is the world that we want to check. The from world is the one that previously we're in, and that might be something that you want to be interested in. But for now, in this case, we just want to check, is the new world something that we are activated in or deactivated in? Let's just do the same thing here. I'm just going to add the play sound node here. I'm going to remove the previous one. So what we've done here so far is we check the world entity that we have. We ask it what worlds it exists in, and then we check the world that we just transitioned into. Does this include? Is this included in the places where this entity is existing in? And if so, then we play the sound. And there we go.